afternoon, folks. You'll have to excuse me, I am full of a cold. But anybody that's been on Instagram would have seen a random photo of a second swinging arm on the floor, the chain, and some rulers and different things. It's taken me ages to confirm the geometry that I want and the final ride height of the bike, but I think we're pretty much there. It's looking like the machine shop are going to manage to get the custom chain tensioner shock mount assemblies ready. So I'm now going to step outside and cut the ends off this spare swing arm that I've got, and we'll then have that ready and the measurements for them to do the undercuts for the pieces that are going to slot into here. So let's go and do that. There we have it, folks. Swing arm is all chopped. I've dressed and filed these nice and square there to exactly the end of the original swinging arm portion, where they were joined to the cast pieces, so that's gone quite well. I'm going to hold off as much as I can in the hope that the custom extension pieces will turn up in time. If they don't, I've got a contingency. I will take a 3-inch straight section at the original swing arm that is still on the bike and graft that onto here with some bracing slugs on the inside. We'll run with that until the new parts arrive, but I'm quietly optimistic, but we'll see. But other than that, there's not a lot left to do, I don't think. I have noticed I've got a little bit of an oil leak on the left hand cover for the engine. The previous owner of this engine did let me know that they'd uprated the clutch because of the tune that's in there, and my assumption is that they didn't replace the gasket when they put it back together. So I've got a replacement gasket on the way. It's not raining out or anything of that nature, so if there's time we'll change it. If not, I'll do it at a later date. But we're all wired up. I'm waiting for the indicators to turn up. Got the chain on the shelf ready to go. Obviously I have the back brakes to fit once the swing arm's done, and a tail tie to sort out. But it's bizarre. There's as we stand, there's 2 weeks and a day to the 28th, and it doesn't feel like there's a lot left to do, but yet loads. So I think we can get there, but let's see. It's a challenge. It's definitely a challenge. We are going to do the first fire up imminently. It won't be this video, probably be the next one or the one after that. Once I'm confident and happy. I've got no rear suspension at the minute and it's on the jack strapped, but I don't really want to have the engine running with no support at that. So as soon as we can get some suspension on, we can hit the button. But yeah, also 281 subscribers now, guys. That's really just, this is amazing, astonishing. So yeah, thank you very much for your support, really appreciate it. I'm working as flat out as I can. Every moment I've got spare, I'm on this bike trying to get it done and finished. Got a nice little route planned, so should be a good vlog for that weekend that I'm not aiming to get it finished for, because I'm just going to wheel the bike outside and drink beer and look at it. But you know, you can sit and watch me do that. Thank you for watching, guys, really appreciate it, everything. Click like, subscribe, do all the normal good stuff, and I will see you on the next one.